Welcome to SpiceCandies. We're making for the very first time Lotus candies. I mean Lotus spread candies. Join me and let's see how we make these things. It's going to be a first time for me too, but they are good and I do recommend you trying them. Head to pour. Now let's try and cut. It cuts in a very doughy-like manner. I'm going to cut it with a cleaver. This cuts a lot better. Let's do this. I'll cover it with powdered sugar. This way the knife will cut better. See? Not easy. It's not an easy candy. But it smells great. I haven't tasted it yet, but it does smell great. Now these are really hot, by the way. I can barely touch them. But still, they're getting really rigid, really fast. Much like coconut. Right. I think we're done. I'll let these cool off and I'll see you in a minute or two. Okay, our candies have cooled off. Let me get that. I didn't have time to talk about it, but you saw a second parchment paper over the candies. So if your candy is behaving much like dough, well, treat it like dough. Place a second sheet of parchment paper and roll it. Roll it and flatten it, and then you can cut it. But you have to work really fast. That's why I didn't have time to play with it, because if I had taken the time to speak about it, it would harden and I wouldn't be able to cut them. So you have to play with the candies this way or the other way to make them behave the way you want them to. So basically you have to react to the way the candies behave to work out what you want to do with them. In this case, cut the squares. Okay? So these really do taste nice. I love them. Very hard, crunchy, and they do taste like Lotus. It's really simple. It's not as easy as regular candies, but that's a part of the way Lotus behaves when it's added into a hot sugar. So that's the way to do it if you want to do it. It's been a really fun first time experience with Lotus. I hope the kids will like it. I'll leave my kids 2 samples and the rest I'm taking to work as usual. Thank you for watching. I do hope you enjoyed it. I had a ball It's the first time, and I always enjoy trying things for the first time, so sorry for the mess. It's been fun, at least for me. I hope you enjoyed it too. Have a sweet day.